Hi everyone, my name is Jason and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to go through a brand new tool that Harbor Freight just released. And this is the HERCULES Cordless Surface Conditioner. Brushless, variable speed of course. Now it does come with one drum, 40 grit drum, 5-year warranty. All HERCULES tools you get a 5-year warranty, so you didn't have to get asked if you want to buy the warranty on the tool like you do with Bauer. You can buy up those warranties. Now these are different drums that it has, and there's another brand. These are interchangeable. So it comes with the 40. You can buy a 60 at Harbor Freight, a buffing drum, or the steel one. They don't carry. This one here is integrated stripping 120, or the 240, or the 40. So just these three. So I'm going to put links in descriptions where you can get those on Amazon, which will work with HERCULES. So we're going to unbox it, go to the website, then we'll actually try it out. But first, let's go to Harbor Freight website. So here we are on the Harbor Freight website, surface conditioning tools. Got two of them. Got the HERCULES Corded, which is fairly new. This one came out, I want to say maybe less over a year ago. And there's a backstory behind this that I'm going to talk about that I don't think a lot of you know how this HERCULES came out. And we have the Cordless here, which we'll be going through. That's the one we'll be testing today. And then we got these different types of drums you can put on there. This is a wire steel drum, $29 one, and then this here is more like a sandpaper 60 grit, and that's $9.99. And then we got the buffer drum over here, which is $29.99. And these will actually fit the Bauer as well, and there are tools out there. Now let's go back. I'm going to tell you a story about this corded one. This is a screenshot I have. This is no longer on Harbor Freight's website. I have this tool. I bought it. Regular price on it, $149.99. It went on sale often for $99, or of course you see here the $109. That's when I bought it. And I actually have a review on this as well. Now what happened was this tool just vanished. It just disappeared. It was not on clearance, it's gone. Now what happened was, I don't remember the name of the company, but a company sued Harbor Freight for copyright infringement, saying, hey, your tool looks just like ours, blah, blah, blah. Well, anyways, so tool got pulled. And that's when that HERCULES came along. Now, actually, HERCULES is a little cheaper too. We saw that was $149. This one's $139. All right, let's go to the tool. You can see 20-volt cord brushless, cordless, variable speed. And here's the pictures on it, which we'll go through. No reviews yet because it's brand new. I've tried many times to submit reviews and never go through, so I just gave up. I don't know why they don't like the way I review stuff. I don't know. Now it's comparing it to this here, this Hilti. We're not going to go there. I've never heard of the brand. I'm not familiar with it, but that's what they're comparing it to, because I don't think DeWalt and Milwaukee have this tool. Not a lot of companies make this tool. Let's look at the specifications. Of course, brushless motor, 6-speed dial speed lets you dial in what speed you want, which is 1,000 to 3,700 RPM. Now think about this, it's 7.1 pounds. Now if you had a battery of that, especially if you got one of those 12 amp hour batteries like I have, for a guy like my age, which I'm 59, that's gonna be a little heavy for me, especially if a little bit of arthritis going on. All right, let's go back to unboxing it. Anyways, free gift weekend. I actually got the ammo box because I have 2 moving blankets and 2 of the Icon socket sets from when the last free tool sale they had, which happened, I think they usually run the bucket sale every 6 weeks, and it's always a free tool sale that comes after that. And usually when I do reviews, I try and look for the best boxes. Of course, this is brand new, so. Now, if you're looking for this now, you're gonna have to bring your phone into the store, because you're probably not gonna find it on the shelf. Show them, they'll punch that number into your computer, then go in the back and get it. So a lot of stores, I don't even think they have a display out yet. Alright, so I have nothing else in the box. We got the spool. This is probably, I'm guessing, the drum, which is there. And the handle, which we'll put on. Instructions. Got some hex keys here. Get all this out of here. I don't think we need the instructions. Right now we don't anyway. Let's get the drum on first. So this is the bag that comes with it. So we got parts here. Got 2 screws, which will go be for the handle we put on. Got 2 Allen wrenches, and we got these, which are going to go here on this, like that, so we can lock that drum in. All right, so how we're going to put the drum on? There's a button here. You got to press that. Now you're going to have to turn this here till that button drops. There we go. So it depressed. So hold that. Now with the machine back, you want to make sure and push away, okay? Which is a left-hand thread. We use these 2 keys. And as you see how this has four keys. I don't know if there's actually, the other brands have 4 keys or not. So put that in there. And we're going to push that button again. So it depresses. And put our screw and washer back on. Just keep in mind, just remember it's left-hand thread or opposite thread, as I say. Tighten that down. All right, got that tight. And now the handle, that's the other hex key comes in. Now I can go this way or that way. Actually, which way is the box? So, okay, forward. That's your 2 screws. Not a left-hand thread for that, obviously. Actually, it actually is not that heavy of a tool compared to my bar. I'll show you that bar I'll show you that bar since we were talking about it. So that's the only assembly you have to do with the handle and putting the drum on. All right, I'm gonna show you that bower. Since we were talking about it, here's a bower here that got pulled. Like I said, I don't know what exactly the copyright infringement on, but yeah, I see. Well, we're just going to compare them anyway since they're sitting here. I assume it's pretty close to the HERCULES corded. Let me grab a battery. I actually have the 4 amp hour battery, which we're talking about on the box. As you see, it's an older one because it's a lot bigger. So we're just going to use the 5 as a full charge. Turn it on real quick. There's max. Well, if you look in here, this is how you're going to select your speed. And it'll go through. So it goes from 1,000, 1,500, 2,000, 2,500, and max. So 3,000 at maximum is 3,700 for Amberite. So let's do it. Well, let's go through each one. You can hear how it sounds. This is 1,000. And go up. Okay, actually what we're going to do, I don't have a card refinish, but I'm sure you're a lot familiar with Blackstone. So what I'll do, we're actually going to hit this in my Blackstone griddle on my deck. All right, this is my old Blackstone griddle. I've had it for many, many years. So we're just going to test this on there. I'm just going to turn on the low setting for now. Now, switch is a little tricky. So you push down on the bottom, push up, push down. So push down, push up, then push it again. Like that. Let's turn it up higher. See, it's stripping it off pretty good. I guess I'm going to do one more. Turn this to a different angle. All right, that's a simple test of what this can do. All right, let's go back to my shop. All right, so is this a simple test of what this tool can do? I'm assuming that people are going to buy this are probably people who work on cars, a lot of metal. One thing I noticed, this is pretty heavy, even with that 5 amp hour battery on here. Just the weight of this thing, you don't need to press that much. It's a heavy tool. At this, the weight of it, you're not going to need to press down really hard. You'll just have to just work this, go where you want the tool to go, work it back and forth without pressing down really hard. All right, guys, if you have any questions, put in the comments, and have a great day, and thanks for watching.